Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kelsey and I post motherhood and lifestyle videos. I love to post home decor, clean with me's, anything motherhood related, stuff to help motivate and inspire you to be the best that you can be. So today we are going to be doing a speed clean with me, where I'm just going to be getting as much done as I possibly can here in the next couple hours, and then it'll all be fast forwarded for you so you can get all the cleaning motivation that you need. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at Kelsey_Crawford5, where I share more of the day in the life type stuff. So normally I like to start off with my dishes, but I don't have too much to do as far as dishes go, but I do have 4 loads of laundry to fold that have been really kind of like weighing on me. I hate letting my dishes pile up in my sink, and I hate letting my laundry pile up. So because laundry is the most that I have piled up right now, I am going to start with that first, and then I feel like once I get that done, my mind will be a little bit clearer to like move on and do the next things. There's always cleaning to be done in my living room with toys and kids' clothes and stuff like that. There's always cleaning to be done in the kitchen. I swear I clean my countertops off and like 30 seconds later it's a hot mess again. So gotta do that whole thing again, wiping down the counters and getting them all cleaned off. So, but first, let's get this laundry done.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am, this is who I am now. No matter what they're saying, this is who I am, this is who I am now. They think that I have lost my mind, that I'm not being true, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppressed to fit in a small frame, but I won't play your game anymore. So I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am, this is who I am now. No matter what they're saying, this is who I am, this is who I am now. I'm gonna let them talk, but I ain't following nobody else. How can I be resentful when I finally respect?
Okay, 4 baskets of clothes. Check. So I just wanted to show you guys what 4 loads of laundry looks like as a family of 5. I originally did have this clip where I was talking like as I was showing it, but I totally forgot to shut off my music in the background. So I'm doing a quick voiceover of it, But I just wanted to share again, I know a lot of you have probably heard me say this before, but for anybody that is new here, I do love to fold clothes on my bed because then I have a lot of space to lay things out. And since the boys are responsible for putting their own clothes away, separate everything out. So like their t-shirts have a pile, their long sleeves have a pile, etc. And then that way when they put it away, they know what drawer to put it in, and it makes life a little bit smoother. And then here's my basket of all my mismatch that I go through after every time I'm folding my clothes. And I didn't film this part, but I was able to empty almost half of that basket because I haven't touched it for a couple weeks. That is how I do laundry, and it's made my life 100 times easier. Now that all this laundry is done though, let's go ahead and move on to the kitchen and dining room. I did end up having more dishes than I initially thought, but I was able to get that done fast and then move on to the dining room.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound.
So as I'm watching this footage and seeing my stovetop, I figured I had to tell you guys a story. So this last weekend, first of all, this video was filmed like 2 weeks ago. I've taken the last couple weeks off, but this last weekend I worked, and my husband was home with the kids and he was grilling. So he was like standing at this area over the stove with his big metal tongs, and he dropped his tongs, and one of the teeth must have hit the stovetop just right and shattered a huge chunk out of it. So technically 2 of the burners were not like affected with it, like they're still intact. So if needed, I've already used it once, but I feel so uncomfortable using it. Like it makes me nervous. Now we're on the hunt for a new stovetop, which I'm like, yeah, we planned on getting new appliances. I just wasn't ready yet. So I think we're just going to get the stovetop for now and then get the other appliances we were looking at a different time. Because we do want to finish the renovation in our kitchen at some point. But as you guys know, it's just a process and it kind of takes time.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that If I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb. And all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. And I remember every day that I've spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb. And all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. A picture of you. It's a picture of And I remember every day that I've spent with you. The look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed. From a window in the mighty clouds up high.
Okay guys, I got the kitchen and the dining room done, and then now we're gonna move on to the living room. So there's still a few things in the kitchen and dining room, like this bubbly and that crib. My husband is getting rid of the crib tonight. He is gonna put it in his truck and just dump it. I've tried to sell it. Well, I tried to pretty much give it away for free, but it's pretty used. All three of my kids used it. All three of my kids like grinded their teeth on it. I don't know if your kids did that. Like when they were going through the teething phase, they literally just like stood there and grinded their teeth. I tried to find like protectors at one point because I didn't want all that getting in their teeth, but they just found an open piece of wood somewhere to do it on. So it's very used, very old. I got it like 10 years ago when I was pregnant with Caden, so outdated too, and I know a lot of people are looking for newer stuff, but anyways, so my husband's gonna take that tonight and probably take it to like Goodwill or Savers or something like that, because I'm sure somebody somewhere will get some use out of it. So anyways, let's go ahead and start in the living room now and get that knocked out, and then I think I'm gonna call it quits for the day. I got quite a bit of stuff done that I needed to as far as cleaning goes, and a few other things I want to get done before the boys get home from school. Okay, here is the living room. It is a disaster. So I'm gonna just quickly clean it up, put the toys away, and do a quick vacuum. And then we have a pile of clothes right here because usually I keep a basket for our dirty clothes.
Sunshine on the broken, let the summer summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in, 'cause I am a, let the force in, 'cause I am a, let the force in. I am above, above, I feel above, above, I feel above, above, I feel above, oh, I feel above.
Alright, you guys, living room is done now. I got it all picked up and vacuumed. I really should probably go around and do a dusting, but I'm not. I'm pooped for today from this stuff. Like I said, I need to get some other stuff done before the boys get home from school, so that way I can focus on doing their reading and schoolwork with them, and then on to making supper and the nightly routines. I'm literally sweating my tail fin off, but let me give you a quick overview of the living room. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video gives you tons of motivation to get up and do something in your house that you've been needing to do. I know these daily tasks can get mundane. Trust me, I feel it too, but it's like stress has been lifted off of me, honestly, because when the house is cluttered, it's like, I've said this 100 times, but my mind is cluttered and it's like I can't think clearly and I feel stressed out. So once I get the house picked up, it's just a huge weight lifted. I can move on to the next tasks, the important ones, such as doing homework with the kids and kind of winding down with them before they go to bed. Those things are important to me because 3 days a week I'm not home until after they go to bed. So the nights I'm home, I really try to like make sure I have stuff done. That way I can soak it in with them. And once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you part of my community. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.